Do you know that boosting your videos on your page can affect your page both negatively and positively? One of the mistake content creators do is boosting their videos. So they don't actually know that there are more to boosting your videos than getting views or even growing your page through your boosted videos or even boosting your page. On this video, I'm going to reveal to you the effects of boosting your videos, why you should boost your videos, when you should boost your videos, and the effect of boosted videos and how it affects content creators. Boosting on Facebook simply means Facebook asking content creators to boost their contents, either their page or their video, so that they will be able to grow and reach a larger audience. For example, when you open a new page, it is assumed that you don't have much audience. So when you upload videos, you'll be getting little views and even little engagements and reaction. So they suggest that you boost this video so that you reach a larger number of people, and more people will be able to watch whatever you are doing on your page. Now, most people, when they see this boost button on their videos or even the post they make on their page, they go ahead and they click on it, they launch a campaign and start boosting that video with their money. Now, why do they suggest that you boost your videos on this platform? So Facebook, they have control of what happens on this blue app. So when you create your videos, they have control of who they are going to show it to. The algorithm is in charge of everything that happens. So they decide the reach, the people that sees your video, and how far it goes. Although you can also affect your reach and the number of people that sees your videos by posting more regularly and also promoting your contents to on other platforms. But the best of them all is when the algorithm starts pushing your contents to a larger audience. So this is simply what boosting is. Boosting means paying FB to show your contents to more people. Should you boost your content as an upcoming content creator? Now, most people don't actually know that boosting has more to do to a page than just paying money and getting views. So I'm going to explain to us what boosting does to a page, a new page. For example, if you just created your page and you started creating content, when you click on that boost button, they are going to show your contents to people. But then the effect of boosting is that when you stop boosting, automatically they won't be pushing that video to more people the way they were pushing it when you started boosting. So for example, a page that is just reaching an average of 1,000 people per day, when you boost a video or even boost that page, it may climb high to reaching 5,000 people. But then when you stop boosting, the algorithm is going to stop pushing that. Facebook will stop pushing these videos to more people because you have turned off your campaign. So more people are not seeing this video. So the metrics and the reach of this video will drop. And as it's dropping, it's also going to affect the reach of your page. That is why you see that when you start boosting your content, you see that your dashboard, your reach, your followers, your 3 seconds, minutes views, and your impression, everything will turn green. But if you stop boosting, it will automatically return to red with time, because the number of people that saw your content when you are boosting is not equivalent to the number of people that are seeing it now that you've stopped boosting. Okay, so now, should you boost your content as an upcoming content creator? No, it's not advisable. As a content creator who wants to make money on their page, it's always advisable that you don't boost. Okay, just create your contents. Make sure you put a lot of contents out there so that you'll be able to grow through your content. Because once you start building your page through boosting, if you stop boosting, it will become very difficult for that page to grow, because the people that saw your content were the people that they showed this content as a result of you paying them to show your content to more people. So it's not advisable as an upcoming content creator who wants to start making money and who wants to build a larger platform over time. But then as businesses, if you have a market or you have a shop or you have something you sell, it's always advisable that you post, because that will actually help you reach more people. You won't have that time to wait for a lot of people to see your content before you start making sales. So it's advisable you start boosting, start promoting whatever you are selling, and you get to reach more people faster. But as a content creator, it's not advisable. Instead, it's better that you actually run sponsored posts on bigger platforms, so that they will notice you and the algorithm will also start transferring little authority to your page. But in certain cases, it's actually right to boost. When you are not following the monetization policy, if you boost your content, sometimes you see that that place that is cancelled will turn green. So this is sometimes that boosting is considered good for content creators. For those who don't have platforms yet, another way of actually growing your content with your money is by reaching out to a larger platform. Like on Facebook, we have influencers, we have promoters. I'm talking of promoters that will mention you or repost whatever you are posting on your page, and you are going to reach more people. So instead of you having to pay FB to do this promotion and posting of your page, give this money to more influencers, and they are going to repost whatever you have on your page on their platform, and you get noticed and also start getting views and followers from that place. So what is my own take on boosting as a whole? If you have money, you have a lot of money, and you want to grow fast, go ahead and boost. It doesn't affect your monetization. It only affects your reach when you stop boosting. But if you have a lot of money to spend, then go ahead and boost. But then if you don't have money and you want to grow over time, you want organic growth, which is the best, because when you grow organically, the algorithm will start favoring your platform, and this is when you make money over time. Okay, so my counsel is that as an upcoming, make sure that you are producing contents instead of boosting. And even when you want to boost, make sure you have enough content that will pin people. And when you are boosting a video, make sure that the video is very catchy. The first 5 seconds or the first 10 seconds should sell what to do on your page, so that anybody that sees it will actually come into your page, follow you, and start engaging on anything you are doing. So this is it on boosting, and my say on boosting your videos on FB. If you still have more questions on boosting, do well to drop it in the comment section. Say I come your way next time. Keep creating.